Hello and welcome back to the Code Cloud. My name is Ravi. Today we are going to talk about ternary operators in Terraform. Terraform doesn't offer traditional if-else statement. Instead, it provides a ternary operator for conditional expressions. Conditional expressions in Terraform can be applied to any object, such as resources, data sources, outputs, and module. A ternary operator is one which operates for three operators. Syntactically, the ternary operator defines a Boolean condition, a value when the condition is true and a value when the condition is false. Let's jump on Google Cloud Console to demonstrate how Terraform ternary operator works. First of all, I'm going to create a GCP service account to authenticate my editor to provision resources on Google Cloud. Let me name it as the Code Cloud-Terraform and assigning compute admin permissions to provision Google Compute Engine instance. The service account is created. Now I will generate a secret key and download the secret key file in my local system to use it to authenticate Google Cloud. Provision compute resources. I need to enable the Google Engine API. Only then I can provision compute resources. Let me just prepare the VS Code editor and creating a Terraform tutorial directory. Now let's move into this directory. I'm going to export Google Cloud application credential and provide the path to the Google service account secret key file. Now let's just write the Terraform script to provision compute engine instance. First we need to define provider block, provider as Google, project and reason. Now in the resource block I'll define the Google Compute Engine instance as VM instance and name it as my instance. Machine type John and boot disk configuration. Better we add variables block on top of the resource here. It doesn't matter where you want to define. In variable block, provide variables for project ID, region and environment. In machine type in resource block, I'll use the ternary operator for environment. Here, if I'll provision this instance in prod environment, then N1 standard 2 compute instance will get provisioned. If environment type is dev, then E2-micro. Network interface as default. I'm going to define the output block as well for instance IP and name. Now initialize the Terraform directory. It's just initialized and running the Terraform plan command. There is something wrong in the VM instance IP. I'm just commenting it out for the sake of the time to investigate. Now running the Terraform plan again. Here you can see as we define the environment as dev, the instance type would be E2-micro. Running the Terraform apply command. As you have already seen, the machine type is E2-micro. Likewise, we defined environment name as dev. I've just cancelled this plan to show you the power of Terraform ternary operator. I just changed the environment as prod and running the Terraform apply again. Here you can see the machine type is changed from E2-micro to N1 standard 2. How it happened? Because we changed the environment from dev to prod. As we did use Terraform ternary operator under machine type, like if the environment would be prod, then machine type would be N1 standard 2. This is how you can utilize Terraform ternary operator in your Terraform configuration files. This time I hit yes. The compute instance is started provisioning. Let's jump on Google Cloud Console and here we can validate the name, location and machine type of our compute instance. Now I'm gonna clean up this lab and running the Terraform destroy command to destroy this compute instance. It takes a couple of minutes. Meanwhile, I'm pausing this video. Let me just refresh the console. Here you go. The instance is removed. Better you also remove all your cloud resources post your lab completion.